Hello everyone, I'm Sholikhah from an Imogiri Junior High School. In our world today, we get a lot of creepings. Think about all the trans for our homes, businesses, and more. It is a big problem for our planet. But the simple solution called 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. These ideas are important because they help you manage our waste better and protect the environment. I'm going to tell you how to make newspaper excellent. Ways of making. Prepare the tools and materials. The materials are newspaper, glue, lamp, and board from used wood. And the tools are scissor, skewer, glue gun, and saw. Scan. Cut the newspaper into a rectangle and square. After cutting, smear glue on the end. Roll it up into pieces, small and long, using a skewer. Press the fold into the R-file. Roll the newspaper into a circle. Prepare the step and make as many as you like. Prepare used wood, cut a circle. Make a circle base 18 cm, 16 cm, and 14 cm from the bottom. Stick using wood glue. Avoid tables with 7 cm tools. The circle with a diameter of 26 cm. Stick the newspaper, follow shape of the base in sticks. Install the lamp in the middle, put a small lamp in it. Finally, the newspaper text lamp is finished. Thank you.